Hello, my name is Joshua Johns, and I want to be a screenwriter. Why do I want to be a screenwriter? Because I grew up watching movies. I love film. I One of my favorite films growing up were the Spider-Man franchises, and I remember being really excited when Spider-Man 3 came out. And I remember going to go see it at midnight, and I was extremely disappointed. And ever since then, I realized that I could do better. Screenwriting is the bare bones of a movie. It's creating the film on paper to be fully realized by directors, actors, and technicians to put it on the silver screen. I believe I offer a very good skill set to making the best screenplays that translate in the best films. First thing that I believe that I have a great skill set for is passion. I love film. I love stories. I love telling those stories. I think when somebody has passion for what they do, it translates to better quality. You can see that with successful films and film franchises like The Lord of the Rings, the Marvel movies, and Harry Potter. This was made not only by filmmakers, but filmmakers who loved the source material, who loved what they were doing. And that love showed on the screen and added to the film's successes. I also believe I bring the ability to work together with everyone who makes these films possible, which is not just a screenwriter, it's not just a director, it's not just technicians, the special effects artists, the actors, and the higher ups. All these people have to be able to work together to make sure these films are the best way possible. None of their visions alone make the film. All their visions together make the film. Compromises have to be made. Sometimes feet have to be a foot has to be put down. Sometimes you have to give a little. But the ability to work together to make the best possible film makes quality work. I also believe that character is the most important part of the story. That if you do not see yourselves in these characters, then the film overall doesn't work. I write characters well. I don't. I write people instead of cliched characters that you've seen plenty of times. The ability to make people alive on the page to on the screen is what gets people enamored by these stories. I love storytelling. I love film. I believe that I offer an amazing skill set when it comes to bringing stories from the page to the screen and for all of our enjoyment. Thank you so much.